Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope everyone is safe and healthy. Today is our first class, so let me give a self introduction about me. Myself, Butlin Sharmi, and I am here to teach you coding and computational skill. So today our topic is about MS Office. So any one of you say, what is the abbreviation of MS? Anybody know that? What is the abbreviation of MS? MS means Microsoft Office. What is MS Office? Tell me, what is MS Office? MS Office is a software application. Software application means, you have a doubt? What is software application? Okay, let me say some of the examples of software application. You can take an example as WhatsApp, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, etc. These are all the software applications. And MS Office was developed and published in the year 1990. Okay, and the founder of MS Office is Bill Gates, and the CEO of MS Office, Chief Executive Officer, is Satya Nadella. And the latest version of MS Office here is using is 2019. And the uses of MS Office are, it is mostly used in the business and educational sector. In this we can create, edit and view a documents or a spreadsheet or a presentation and data entry, etc. And the main purpose for using is to create a document and spreadsheets and also a presentation. Okay, let me see the types of MS Office. The types of MS Office are MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint. These three are very important. Other than this, we have MS Access and MS Outlook. In MS Word, we can create a document or we can create a resume or letter, application, certificate, etc. And in MS Excel, you can create a accountant, salary chart, billing, student report, mathematical calculations. And the MS PowerPoint, we can use presentation, text and entry, sound, video, animation, etc. This is mainly used for the presentation part. Okay, first today our class is about MS Word, Microsoft Word. So what is the use of MS Word? We all know about that. We can write in MS Office to create a document, or we can draw, or we can add pictures, shapes, or create a table, etc. Many functions are available in MS Word. So first is how do you access MS Word? When you are open your laptop or your computer, go to Start menu and then click All Programs and then click Microsoft Office, and at last you have to click Microsoft Word. Okay, then the Microsoft Word application will get open. In that you have a Office button. In that Office button you have New, Open, Save As. These are the very important options. Okay, New, Open, Save As. And in MS Office you also have tabs, so many tabs. And the first tab is Home, next one is Insert, next one is Page Layout, and the next one is Reference and the Mailings, Review and View tab. These are the tabs available in MS Office. Once more I am saying Home tab, Insert tab, Page Layout, Reference, Mailings, Review and View tab. Okay, in the Office button we have New, Open and then Save As. First, how to create a new document. Okay, first is how to create a new document. When you click the Office button, here you can see the menu as New. You need to click that New and then click Blank Document and then click Create. Then the new document will be created. Okay, the shortcut key for a new document is Ctrl+N. You can use this way, new blank document create, or else you can use this way as control plus N. And the next option is open. How do you open? What is the use of the open? Anybody know what is the purpose of open? Open means if it is used to open your existing document which you have already saved in your past. Okay, you just need to click the open, and then you need to the search button, you need to give your file name, your existing file name, and then click open, or else you can use the shortcut as control plus O. These two options are available to open a document. And the last option is save as. If you are writing anything, if you are created any document, or you are created table, anything else, you need to save it. So in the office button, you need to click the save as option, and then you need to enter the file name and then click save, or else the shortcut key for the save option is control plus S. Okay, let me show some examples also. Guys, see, this is our MS Word. Okay, in this you can see a office button here. Here you can see a office button. In that you can see new, open, save, save as, print. Okay, these are all the very important options. First, let me see how to open a new document. Okay, first you need to click new, and then here came like this blank document, and then you need to give create. Then the new document will be created, or else you can give a control plus N shortcut key. Here you can see the control button, and then here can you see N. So just click control plus N, then the new document will be created. Okay, and then here you can see a open option also. Click open, and you can choose any of the document from this. I am clicking documentation, so documentation, open. Here you can see the existing document has been opened. Okay, or else you can give the shortcut key as control plus O. Okay, and then here say save as. If you are creating a document for this, you can save. So save as. Here you can give your file name. I am giving just doc, DOC. Okay, doc, and then click save. Your new document has been created, and the name is displayed in the here. Okay, doc Microsoft Word. And here you can see the home tab, insert tab, page layout, references, mailings, review, and then view tab. Okay, and then you can give equal to RAND, open bracket, close bracket, enter. You can see a paragraph visible here. This is a default setting given in given by the Microsoft Office company. Okay, you need to just you need to enter equal to RAND, open bracket and close bracket. Okay, first I am telling you the option about the copy. Okay, if you need to copy the insert tab, first you need to place the cursor here and then drag it. Okay, drag it, and then a thick blue shade will appear like this. Okay, then you need to right click it, and then you have an option like copy. Okay, you need to copy, and then you can make a paste on here. So you need to keep the cursor here and then click the right button and then give a paste option, then it will display. Okay, and the shortcut key for copy is Control plus C. Okay, and then the another option is cut. If you want to cut this insert tables, then you need to place the cursor here and then select it and then right click it, cut. It will disappear from there. And if you need to paste on some other places, you need to place the cursor on that place and then right click it and then paste. Okay, it will display. Okay, these are, and the shortcut key for cut is Control plus X, and the shortcut key for paste is Control plus V. So here we have learned so many shortcut keys. What are they? For new, Control plus N, open, Control plus O, save as, Control plus S, and then cut, Control plus X, copy is Control plus C, and then paste is Control plus V. Okay guys, thank you. We can continue in next section. Okay.